So, what is Cranberry Duplicate File Search anyways? It's a revolutionary time-saving professional application that locates duplicate audio and video files from the location that you specify. Scan a single folder or scan an entire hard drive and let Cranberry do the rest. Cranberry locates duplicates not just by titles. It actually takes a digital fingerprint of the file and does a comparison to other files for a match. Even if you have files with different titles, Cranberry will find the duplicate. Then the lower quality file is moved to a folder called Duplicated. Cranberry will never delete any files. It just moves them. We wouldn't want you to lose any special edits or remixes. Other features include setting the sensitivity of bitrate, frame rate, and more for your level of scanning confidence. Then, once the duplicate files are found, you can preview the results or skip to auto mode and let Cranberry handle the rest. There is an abort button on the scan portion and preview portion to keep your confidence in our software. And if you're unhappy with the results, simply undo the last scan, and everything goes right back to where it came from. The first time that you run it, it may seem slow, but after that, everything will be just fine. We've added a status bar and flashing processing light so you don't feel that the system has hung up. Just be patient. We want you to be comfortable with our software, so we created a dry run button for you to try before you actually move anything physically. This would be a good time to try the preview option as well. This will allow you to decide if you want to use it if you have a large amount of duplicate files to compare manually, or allow the system to do it automatically. This version is made for Windows and Mac OS versions all the way back to High Sierra. Select your operating system and get yours today and get organized. Cranberry, made by Audio Cocktails. Precision audio tools, inspired by flavor.